Have you ever wondered how to become a data scientist? In the next minute, you'll discover the exact education you need, the skills to master, your step-by-step roadmap, and how much you can actually earn. Let's dive in. First, what exactly does a data scientist do? Simply put, they're problem solvers who use data, math, and code to help companies make better decisions. On a typical day, you'll collect data from various sources, clean and organize it, analyze patterns, build predictive models, and present your findings to help businesses grow. You can work in tech companies, healthcare, finance, retail, or even remote from anywhere in the world. The beauty of this career is its flexibility and demand across every industry. Now, let's talk education. What do you actually need to study? Don't worry, there are multiple paths you can take, and you don't always need a traditional 4-year degree.
Path 1, the traditional route. A bachelor's degree in computer science, statistics, mathematics, or data science itself. This takes 4 years and gives you a strong theoretical foundation.
Path 2, data science boot camps. These intensive programs last 3 to 6 months and focus on practical, job-ready skills, perfect if you want to switch careers quickly.
Path 3, self-taught. Using online courses, YouTube tutorials, and practice projects, you can learn at your own pace, often for free or low cost. This requires discipline, but offers maximum flexibility.
Want to stand out even more? A master's degree can boost your earning potential and open doors to senior roles. But remember, it's optional, not mandatory. Education is one thing, but let's talk about the actual skills you need to master. We'll break these into technical skills and soft skills. First up, programming. You absolutely need to learn Python. It's the industry standard. SQL for databases is equally crucial. And R is a bonus if you're interested in statistical analysis. Next, mathematics and statistics. Don't panic, you don't need a PhD. Focus on understanding probability, linear algebra, and statistical testing. These help you build accurate models. Machine learning is where the magic happens. Learn algorithms like linear regression, decision trees, and neural networks. Plus, master visualization tools like Tableau or Power BI to present your findings clearly. Now, here's what many people overlook: soft skills. You need strong communication to explain complex findings to non-technical people, problem-solving abilities, and genuine curiosity to ask the right questions. All right, you know what you need to learn, but what's the actual step-by-step roadmap? Let's break it down into 5 clear stages, from complete beginner to job-ready professional. Stage 1, build your foundations. Spend 3 to 6 months learning Python basics, SQL fundamentals, and basic statistics. Take online courses, follow tutorials, and practice daily. Stage 2, level up. Now learn data manipulation with pandas, create visualizations, and understand machine learning basics. Start building small projects, maybe predict house prices or analyze movie ratings. Stage 3, build your portfolio. This is crucial. Create 3 to 5 substantial projects that solve real problems. Publish them on GitHub and write about your process. This is what employers actually look at. Stage 4, prepare for job hunting. Practice coding challenges on LeetCode and HackerRank. Prepare for behavioral interviews and network on LinkedIn. Join data science communities and attend meetups. Stage 5, land your first role. Target junior positions like junior data analyst or entry-level data scientist. Apply strategically to companies that interest you. Expect to apply to 50 to 100 positions. This is normal. 1 yes is all you need. So, what's the total timeline? If you're learning full-time, expect 12 to 18 months from zero to job ready. Part-time learners might need 2 to 3 years. But remember, you can start applying for internships even before you're fully ready. Now let's talk money. What can you actually expect to earn as a data scientist? The answer depends on your experience level, location, and industry. Let's break it down. Entry-level data scientists typically earn between $70,000 and $95,000 per year. Mid-level professionals make $95,000 to $130,000. Senior data scientists can command $130,000 to $180,000 or more, especially in tech hubs like San Francisco or New York.
The job outlook is excellent. Data science roles are projected to grow 36% through 2031, much faster than average. Companies across every sector need data professionals, and demand far exceeds supply right now.
Let's be honest about the pros. High salary potential, excellent job security, work flexibility, including remote options, intellectually stimulating challenges, and massive impact. Your work genuinely helps businesses grow and solve real problems.
Now, the cons. The learning curve is steep. Expect frustration at first. The field constantly evolves, so you'll need continuous learning. Some roles involve repetitive data cleaning. Competition for top positions is fierce. And imposter syndrome is real in this field. So, who is this career perfect for? If you love solving puzzles, enjoy working with numbers, can handle ambiguity, and want to make data-driven impact, this could be your calling. If you prefer clear-cut answers and avoid math, it might not be the best fit. Let's recap. You've learned what data scientists do, the education paths available, essential skills to master, your 5-stage roadmap, salary expectations, and honest pros and cons. The journey takes commitment, but the rewards, financial, intellectual, and career security are substantial. Ready to start your data science journey? Drop a comment below telling me which stage you're at right now. Subscribe for more career guides.